Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pickled carrots and jalapenos. First, prepare your vegetables by washing them thoroughly. You'll need about 1 pound of carrots and 4 to 5 medium jalapenos. Slice the carrots into uniform 1/4 inch rounds or sticks. Then, carefully slice the jalapenos into 1/8 inch thick rings, removing seeds if you prefer less heat. Now, let's create the flavorful brine. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of water with 2 cups of white vinegar. Add 2 tablespoons of pickling salt and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. For extra flavor, toss in 2 peeled garlic cloves and any other desired spices like peppercorns or dill. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat, ensuring the salt and sugar fully dissolve. With your vegetables prepped and brine ready, it's time to fill your jars. Tightly pack the sliced carrots and jalapenos into clean, sterilized pint-sized jars. Once packed, carefully pour the hot brine over the vegetables, ensuring they are fully submerged. Leave about 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. Use a non-metallic utensil to remove any trapped air bubbles, then wipe the rims clean and seal with lids. After sealing, allow your pickled carrots and jalapenos to cool completely on the counter. Once cool, transfer them to the refrigerator. For the best flavor, let them chill for at least 24 hours before enjoying. These delicious pickled treats will last for several weeks in the refrigerator. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. They're perfect for adding a little extra something to your kitchen.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.